Okay guys, with this video I will show you how you can make free PayPal cash 50 to 100 even more $100 every single day using a free method, a free traffic and free system. Okay, you don't need no website and no domain and no email marketing and no list. I will show you this method so you can use it right now and you can earn unlimited free cash daily. So first let's log into my PayPal account. I will show you my proof from this system, and then I will show you step by step how you can earn from this system. So you can see in the last 13 days I make over $2,700 using this fantastic system, and you can do it too. You can make this cash also for free. All you have to do is take action, and you will make this money daily. So let's start. Let's log out, and first you have to make a free account on payspree.com. Okay, you can see here in the top payspree.com, and you will get this website. All you have to do is sign up for a free, okay, as an affiliate. You can see here in the bottom affiliate, so you can sign up for a free, and you can make your free account so you can start. Okay, after you make your free account, all you have to do is go to marketplace. Okay, my internet is slowly, so I am sorry for that. So you will get this page. Okay, you have to visit marketplace, and you will get this page. You can see there is a unlimited product here that you can promote and make a free cash daily. Not any product is good and convert, so you have to choose a good product so you can make money from. Okay, so let's start. Go here to search and type 100 and click search. Okay, good, and you will get this page. You can see here there is some product. One of them is this product, 100 per day system, last update today. Okay, so all you have to do first, visit this product, and you will get this page. This page you can see very convert. There is a fantastic title here and a video proof for this system. This sell page look fantastic to promote. All you have to do is get your affiliate link and promote this page. So how this work? You can see here. You can see create link. So all you have to do is click create link and put your Payspree user name in this page. Okay, you have to put your username here, and then you will get your referral link here. So all you have to do is copy and get traffic. Now I want to show you how you can get traffic from how to get free traffic to this link, and how you can make free money using free traffic. Okay, so let's visit here making money academy. You will get this page. You can find here unlimited free traffic, but with this video I will show you a fantastic traffic that sorry for that. I will show you a fantastic traffic that you can use to promote your affiliate link. One of them, there is two website here. Also, you can use this website. It's a free traffic and very convert traffic. And for this video, I will show you how to work with this website, Social Message Connect, and instant profit mailer.com. So let's visit both. And we will get this page. So if you don't have an account, so you have to make your free account. And if you already have an account, you can go here and click for members area and log in. Now you can see send email here, and you can see send an email. Okay, so let's click. Now you can see here, congratulations, you have enough credit to email the interactive membership. I have over 1,600 credit here, and I can use it to promote my link. So let's click here and email all these members. Okay, and you have to choose a date. Okay, so you can see in the green, this is available. So all you have to do is click here and choose your time and click in enter, and all you have to do is you have to put your affiliate link here, okay, your PaySpree affiliate link, and put some text. You can get your text from here, okay, so you can get this text and put here, and also put your link one more time. Sorry, you can put it here, and you can type something here. You can type, let's say, you can get this text and put in the title. Okay, so all you have to do is you can see, click to check your email links, and you have to test your URL. Okay, and then you can send your link. Okay, so you can see I already sent unlimited solo ads here, and it's free traffic. You can see total clicks 50, 65, 20, 50, 74, 96. Now I will show you the another website that you can use. So all you have to do, also click and log in and send an email. Now look, if you don't have a credit, it's okay. You can go here, click here to earn more credit before mailing. And all you have to do is click this ads, okay? So you can see here unlimited free ads. So all you have to do is click, and you can see click here to earn 15 traffic credit. So you have to wait. You can see the time. Okay, let's close. Okay, now we have 15 credit. Why? Sorry, I close the website. Let's back. I will log in again. Sorry for that. Okay, so you can see the link that we already clicked. We have 15 members, so we can, but we need more. So you can click again, click here to earn more credit before mailing. I think you get the point. Or if you don't have an credit, so all you have to do is go to emails to read, and all you have to do is click and open all these ads, and you will get unlimited credit. So then after that, all you have to do is go to send an email and go to click to email and choose a date and a time. Put your link here. Okay, before you mailing, okay, you have to put your affiliate link. Basically you can promote any product here, but not any product is convert using this traffic, so you have to use a fantastic product to promote using this traffic. Remember, all this traffic is free traffic, so you can use to promote your affiliate link. This is a fantastic traffic, and this is a free traffic, so everyone need free traffic, so you can use it to promote your affiliate link. You can use traffic bonus, add troopers, and you can use also this website. This is a great free traffic that you can use to promote your affiliate link. All you have to do is get free traffic to your very convert product and earn unlimited free cash to your PayPal account daily. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, please type your comment below this video. Please let me help you make money online like I do, and I hope you will succeed. Thank you again, and have a good day. Thank you very much.